Hello, babies. Look at that. Oh, you want some more? These are the greedy guts. These are the greedy guts. Yes, they are. Look at that. Look at that. You can get some? Well, today has been a fun day. I spent 2 hours catching chickens this morning so that I could try to get my NPIP certification. Hey, babies. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Where are you going? Where are you going? You think there's more out here? Go back in there. The good stuff's in there. Hey. Hey, look, Ladybug. Well, there's all my babies. These babies.